Okay, fine. I'll go with this. Yeah. So this is your part B, a third experiment. Okay, because first, second, and fourth already completed. So today we'll go with a third experiment. What is that third experiment? A computation of the probability of bit error for coherent binary ASK. Just I am writing name of the experiment: ASK, FSK, and PSK. What is this ASK, FSK, PSK? ASK stands amplitude shift keying, frequency shift keying, and phase shift keying. Okay. For AWGN channel, for an AWGN channel, channel, and compare them with their performance curve. Yeah. So here exactly what we need to do here, we need to compare the performance, not modulation and demodulation. Correct? Okay, because in the last experiments, for example, consider a QPSK. What we did, we did a modulation and demodulation waveforms. We observed the modulation waveform and demodulation waveforms for QPSK, and also same thing for DPSK also. We observed modulation waveforms and demodulation waveforms. But here we need to compare the performance. Compare the performance of ASK, FSK, and PSK. So 3 digital modulation techniques are given. So we need to compare the performance. So how will compare the performance? So okay, you need to compare the performance with respect to this like graph, signal to noise ratio and bit error rate. I think all of you know about signal to noise ratio and a bit error rate. So we need to compute the performance in such a this. Okay, fine. Then I don't much waste time. But one more thing you need to remember. This one I'll go with MATLAB. Last 3 experiment. Okay, last 3 experiments we have completed using Simulink. But this one I will go with MATLAB because it can perform. In the syllabus they mentioned clearly MATLAB bar Simulink, correct? So that's why this experiment, especially this experiment, I will go with MATLAB. Okay, yeah. Just I go to the MATLAB. See here. I think this is visible. So I written code for that. Just I explain the code, then I will run it. Yeah, fine. Now look at here. What is that EB N0? Signal to noise ratio. See here. 1 minute. Yeah. So this is EB N0. Okay, it is a signal to noise ratio. This is with respect to x-axis. Now see here. Always the signal to noise ratio is in dB. Okay. So I want to convert it in normal EB N0 value. So I will convert 10 to the power of exponential of this one, EB by N0 dB divided by 10. Okay. Now, so here we are calculating the what is the this one, computation of probability bit error rate. Okay, because look at the question 1 minute. We need to compute. Yeah, compute. What is the question? We need to compute the probability. Yeah. Computations of the probability bit error rate. Okay, probability bit error rate for each ASK, FSK as well as a PSK. Just I written the formula here. Look at the formula. I written the formula here. This one, PE, probability error. Probabilities error for binary phase shift keying. Okay, binary PSK. Similarly, probabilities of error binary FSK, frequency shift keying. Similarly, probabilities of error of binary ASK, FSK, PSK. I written the formula for calculating a probabilities error. So what is the formula for calculating the probabilities error of error? So this is 0.5 means 1 by 2 into E reference of square root of EB N0. So this is the formula for calculating probability error for PSK. Similarly, the second one, okay, this is the formula for calculating probabilities of error for binary FSK, frequency shift keying. What is the formula? 1 by 2 E reference of square root of EB N naught by 2. EB N naught by 2. Okay. Similarly, the third one, this is the probabilities of error for binary ASK, amplitude shift keying. What is the formula? 1 by 2 E reference of square root of EB N naught by 4. Okay. I written all the formulas here for ASK, FSK and PSK. Formula for calculating a probability of error. Okay, fine. Now we written here formula. Next, what is that? Next thing. So here a semilog. A semilog EB N naught. Just I am displaying here. So probabilities of error BPSK with this color. And this is binary FSK and this is probabilities of error ASK. Then legenda. So BPSK, binary phase shift keying, binary frequency shift keying and binary amplitude shift keying. And what about that X label? X label is EB by N naught and Y label is bit error rate. So now just I execute it, then it becomes very clear. See here we are getting value. Here we are getting the values, probabilities of error. Okay. Now what is our intention? We need to calculate the performance curve. In the questions it is mentioned that compare them with their performance curve. So this is the performance curve. So here what about this one? Red color. Red color is binary phase shift key and black is binary frequency shift key and one more color that is binary amplitude shift key. So what about this x-axis? So x-axis is noise ratio. Yeah. And one more thing you need to understand from this, as signal to noise ratio is increases from 0 to 10, the bit error rate goes on decreases. Okay, bit error rate goes on decreases. Okay, so this is all about the third experiment. Only this much. You need to remember this code. It is very simple. You need to remember this code, and you will get this one. So this is the performance curve. Okay, performance curve of ASK, PSK, FSK, and these are the values, probability of error values for each one. Yeah, BPSK, FSK, and this one. So this is all about third experiment. Only this much. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.